Easy to make blend effect in Photoshop. Right-click to duplicate the background layer. Set the document as new. Select Gaussian blur. Ctrl+Shift+U to desaturate. Save the file in PSD format. Convert text as Smart Object. Go to Filter and select Displace. Now select the file which we have saved earlier. Change the blending mode in Overlay. Select Blending Options. Now follow those steps. Hold Alt and click the arrow to split. Click on Color Overlay. Select the mid-darkest color which you want to overlay.